Let's do some EFT tapping for feeling lovable or deserving of love. We'll call this a positive round to help open you up to the possibility of that. Because while you may have, things in your life, traumatic material that may need to be processed a bit, we don't want to look at it like, I need to process everything and then I will eventually be deserving of love. That is the repair mindset that I speak about that we do not want to live in as much as possible. So let's tap on the side of the hand and say, I choose to be open to the possibility that exactly as I am, with everything that I perceive as flawed or not where I want to be, with what I would call imperfections, that I might still be lovable exactly as I am. And I choose to accept myself where I'm at. I choose to be open to the possibility that I might actually deserve to be loved, to feel love, whether that's coming from others or from myself to myself, exactly as I am. And I choose to honor wherever I'm at with that, right in this moment. I choose to be open to the possibility that even though there are aspects, things about myself that I might judge, that I might perceive as needing work, or needing healing, or needing to be changed, that even with all that, I might actually deserve love, to feel love, to be loved, just as I am right now. And I choose to deeply and completely honor and accept myself, maybe even feel some love for myself, right where I'm at right now. And now through the points, I choose to be open. I choose to be curious. I choose to explore the possibility that I could feel that I deserve love, that I could experience the feeling of being loved, that I might actually be worthy of feeling and receiving love, even if I am not what I would judge as perfect. I know when I see my favorite pet or a very young child, I don't usually think, well, I hope they work hard on themselves. And if they do everything right, maybe in the next few decades, they will finally be worthy of love. Receiving love is their birthright, and it's also mine. It might be hard to access that. My mind might be saying, yeah, but what about all this stuff? Or what about all the trauma? And I can acknowledge that. And I can continue to do whatever will support that. But there is no rule, nor does it even make a lot of sense, that I would not be worthy or deserving of feeling love, of receiving love, until I arrive somewhere. I don't expect my friends to be perfect. I don't expect others to be perfect and judge them as not deserving any love. So yes, it may not be fireworks. I may not be immersed in a loving feeling just yet. But let's be open to the possibility. Let's allow ourselves to explore. Maybe I could feel a little bit. Maybe I deserve to feel a little bit. Maybe I can at least experiment. Spend a little quality time with myself, with my inner world, and just opening up a bit and questioning the beliefs that say I'm not there yet. I can work on myself and deserve love right where I'm at. And I choose to let this sink in, even if it's somewhere unconsciously. Just planting that seed that no matter what I'm going through, maybe I do deserve love, that I can feel lovable, that I am lovable right where I'm at. Okay, let's take a breath. And like I said, even if your mind, even if things are coming up that might question it, welcome that. Just keep that in the back somewhere. Hey, who said we have to be fully healed, whatever that means, or arrive somewhere in order to be lovable? So it's not just an affirmation, it's an exploration, it's an opening. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. And remember, you're not a repair project. This isn't about getting somewhere so you're finally worthy. It's about just helping us see what we actually do deserve. And it's definitely love. So I will see you next time. Thanks.